Learn Hindi vocabulary. Opinion to wish in.
Hindi.
With.
Rai.
And.
Ichha.
Welcome to your Hindi word adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 8 useful Hindi words without falling asleep on page 3. We will keep it light, funny, and easy to repeat aloud. Today your mission is to meet these words. Opinion is.
Rai.
Idea is.
Vichar.
Suggestion is.
Sujhav.
Decision is.
Nirnay.
Selection is.
Chayan.
Experience is.
Anubhav.
Feeling is.
Bhavna.
And wish is.
Ichha.
Think of them as 8 guests at a very dramatic dinner party. The dinner party begins. Imagine a dinner table where abstract words show up wearing nice clothes and acting like celebrities. Yes, this is a strange party, and yes, you are invited. First through the door comes.
Rai.
Opinion. It says, my opinion is different. In Hindi, Mary.
Rai.
Alaga hai. Then.
Vichar.
Idea, runs in with wild hair and a light bulb and shouts, I have an idea. In Hindi, Mir pasa eka.
Vichar.
Hi. Right behind it comes.
Sujhav.
Suggestion, politely raising one finger like a teacher who knows the answer but still wants to be nice. Mir pasa eka.
Sujhav.
Hi. Soon, serious and dramatic.
Nirnay.
Arrives, decision, wearing a judge's robe and saying, the
Nirnay.
is important. Then.
Chayan.
Selection, stands by the dessert tray and whispers, this
Chayan.
is my favorite. Across the room sits wise old.
Anubhav.
Experience, sipping tea like someone who has seen things. It says.
Anubhav.
Teaches patience. By the window, soft-hearted.
Bhavna. Feeling,
hears music and gets emotional for no reason at all. That song gives me a warm.
Bhavna.
Quote. Finally, dreamy.
Ichha.
Wish, looks at the candles and says, Mary sabase bari.
Ichha.
Dunia gumana hai. Quick repeat drill. Now you repeat after me like a confident movie hero, or at least like someone who found the right page. Say each word clearly. Opinion.
Rai.
Idea.
Vichar.
Suggestion.
Sujhav.
Decision.
Nirnay.
Selection.
Chayan.
Experience.
Anubhav.
Feeling.
Bhavna.
Wish.
Ichha.
Mini dialogue chaos. You are now entering a tiny dialogue where nobody can make up their mind, which is perfect for language learning. Listen for all 8 words. A. What is your opinion? B. Mary.
Rai.
Yaha hai ki, we need a better plan. A. Great. Do you have an idea? B. Ham, mir pasa eka.
Vichar.
Hi. A. Is it just an idea, or do you also have a suggestion? B. Mir pasa eka.
Sujhav.
B. Hi. A. Good, because we need a decision today. B. Ham, Asia.
Nirnay.
Zaruri hai. A. There are many options. What is your selection? B. Mera.
Chayan.
Neela vala hai. A. Have you done this before? B. Ham, mujhe isa kama ka.
Anubhav.
Hi. A. How do you feel about it? B. Mir dila mamachi.
Bhavna.
Hi. A. And your final wish? B. Mary.
Ichha.
Hai ki sabathika ho jay. Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. A little nonsense can make vocabulary stick. If your brain likes weird pictures, this section is your snack. Picture a sofa asking for your
राय,
Before anyone sits down. Very polite sofa. Imagine a glowing light bulb shouting.
विचार,
Above your head in the grocery store. See a cat in a business meeting offering one serious.
सुझाव,
About fish budgets. Visualize a giant hammer falling from the sky and yelling.
निर्णय,
Like the world's most dramatic judge. Imagine standing before 10 ice cream flavors and making one noble.
चयन,
Think of a worn leather notebook full of life lessons called.
अनुभव,
See a huge floating heart glowing with.
भावना,
While a violin plays in the background for absolutely no reason. Picture candle smoke spelling.
इच्छा,
After you blow out birthday candles. Tiny quiz time. Let us see if the words stayed in your brain instead of escaping through the window. Answer before I do. What is the Hindi word for opinion?
राय,
What is the Hindi word for idea?
विचार,
What is the Hindi word for suggestion?
सुझाव,
What is the Hindi word for decision?
निर्णय,
What is the Hindi word for selection?
चयन,
What is the Hindi word for experience?
अनुभव,
What is the Hindi word for feeling?
भावना,
What is the Hindi word for wish?
इच्छा,
Your speak aloud challenge. Now it is your turn to sound impressive. Try these short lines aloud, even if your cat judges your accent. Say, my opinion is different. Mary.
राय,
Alaga hi. Say, I have an idea. Mir pasa eka.
विचार,
Hi. Say, I have a suggestion. Mir pasa eka.
सुझाव,
Hi. Say, the decision is important.
निर्णय,
Zaruri hai. Say, my selection is this one. Mera.
चयन,
Yaha hai. Say, I have experience. Mujhe.
अनुभव,
Hi. Say, I understand your feeling. Main tumhari.
भावना,
Samajata hum. Say, I made a wish. Main eka.
इच्छा,
Key. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned useful Hindi words for thoughts, choices, emotions, and dreams. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
राय, विचार, सुझाव, निर्णय, चयन, अनुभव, भावना,
And.
इच्छा,
Out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and let your Hindi grow one funny word party at a time.